Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day you're watching this. So, I'm currently out canvassing. I've got my flyers made. So the flyers I've got made up, A6 size. So I've got window cleaning on one side, advertising everything that we're doing on there. And then on the other side, I've got the pressure washer inside of the business, advertising everything that is on there. Got them off of Vistaprint. I ordered 2,500. I think it come to about £65. But the most successful way I've found and the most customers I've gained is going out and delivering leaflets. I've gained 3 already this morning by handing these out. Somebody was out cutting a hedge on the garden. I offered to give him one. At first he was reluctant. I says it's for exterior cleaning and window cleaning. He says I need a window cleaner. And next doors, both sides, they need window cleaners as well. I gave somebody else one. I've given them a price on fascias and guttering, getting those cleaned. They were relatively happy. They said they'd be in touch. So potentially, I've got 4 customers already from 2 hours worth of canvassing. It is time consuming, don't get me wrong. You have got to walk the streets. You have got to deliver them. There's no ways about it unless you want to pay for Royal Mail or pay for an external company to do it, and then the price, it's just not worth it. So I am back on my feet. I am out delivering some more flyers. Hopefully it's going to drum up some more business. Yesterday it was amazing. I got 4 customers all in a row. I then got 2 other customers, so I've managed to get 6 window cleaning customers yesterday, which is absolutely amazing. I've never had that many customers all in one day, all from just dropping out these flyers, so well impressed. It just gives you the motivation to do it even more, so that is what I'm going to do now. So let's carry on and let's get posting some more flyers. Let's do this. Plus I'm going to eat my sausage roll, aren't we? Hey! So let me know, as a small business, big business, medium business, whatever, what's been your best method of advertising for you when you first started out? I have been advertising in a local book, used to be a local paper, but they don't do a local paper anymore. They do like a little magazine, a little small magazine. Been putting like a 1/4 page advert in there. It's not been great at the minute, I must admit. I've not had any leads from that. It's £110 a month, which is including VAT. So I'm thinking of knocking that on the head for the time being, because it is a lot of money to put into something that you're not getting anything out of. Whether or not I will get something out of it later on, because not everybody wants your services straight away, do they? So yeah, that's something that I'm thinking about at the minute, just cancelling that, not bothering putting any more adverts in there for the time being, and maybe just focusing directly on the flyers, because that's where I'm getting the most leads. And I've just got my headphones in and I've just got a message off somebody else, so I'm going to read that and see what that one says. You might not be able to see that because of the sun, but I have just got another customer from yesterday, so that's 7. One thing I have noticed though, my hands are getting absolutely battered. Just going to dump this estate now, see how we get on. So I've just delivered to this little cul-de-sac, and I'm surprised as to how many little cul-de-sacs, little roads, little streets there is when you're going off these new housing estates. I've just gone down that one, there's one up there, there's one down there, and the main road is literally coming up around here. Can't believe how many there is, it's loads. The march continues. So that is it for today. I think I've done that full estate just there, taking about an hour. I know it's only an hour, but it's an hour that I wouldn't have done. So yeah, we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully I'll get some customer out of it, and it'll be an hour well spent. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of handing out the flyers. Been on my feet for about an hour now, handed probably 100 out maybe, let's say. Going great. So current totals are, I've got 8 window cleaning jobs, 2 driveways to pressure wash, and some gutters and fascias to clean, which is totaling up to about £800. and I've had quite a few other messages with regards to getting quotes and prices. Not heard anything back yet, but with regards to the flyers compared to Facebook, Google, it's just amazing at the minute. It's just outweighing that tenfold. But this has been so much beneficial. I know it takes longer, I appreciate that, and I'm going to be on my feet a lot. So I've been going 3 hours first day. Day after I went an hour. I've already been on my feet an hour. I'm going to do 3 hours today, so that's going to be 7 hours in total. But those 7 hours I've spent on my feet, or I'm going to spend on my feet, the money that's coming in, it's just amazing. So far so good. So give me another 3 hours posting these, and we'll see what response I get out of today as well as the previous 2 days. So keep watching. So what I've noticed is a lot of these houses, especially the bungalows where the elderly residents live, a lot of the driveways have already been pressure washed. But the good thing is I'm not just offering pressure washing, I'm doing everything, covered all bases. So hopefully I'll get some jobs like the fascias, gutters, roof cleaning, window cleaning. So yeah, I've not just narrowed my market down to one thing. Might be a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. So there was a local window cleaner behind me doing this estate, so I better be careful. He might try and run me over in a minute if he realises that I'm posting flyers through for window cleaning. But I'm not here to poach anybody's jobs, especially people's who's established, just trying to get jobs that people's not got. So that is it for today. Been going at it for 3 hours. I've had enough. My legs are aching. I've racked up another probably 15 to 18,000 steps like I did the other day. It's good for the step count though. No good for the rickety old knees though. But yeah, another productive day, hopefully. Hopefully it's going to come into fruition later on. With potentially some phone calls. What I have found though, people aren't ringing straight away. There might be a couple of days later, but so we'll just have to see what happens. Hopefully it's going to earn me some money around here. Some nice properties to clean, windows, driveways, roofs, things like that. You never know. Who knows what's going to happen? But if you don't try, you're never going to find out, are you? So I've still got quite a lot more flyers to drop out, so I'll get them dropped at some point. Keep posting on Facebook and things like that, just to try and keep my name out there, because I do still get leads off of there. But like I said to you, I'm finding that the flyers are being more productive, more beneficial for me at the minute. But we'll just have to wait and see. So just a quick update on the flyers situation. It's been about 2 weeks since I handed them out. Taken me 7 hours to do it. Probably like a day's work if I was to do it in a full day. I didn't. I split it up into 3 separate days. But yeah, I've got quite a lot of jobs off of it as well. I got 11 window cleaning jobs. I got 5 pressure washing jobs, and I also got 2 fascias and gutters cleans as well. And out of 2 of those jobs, I got recommendations as well. So one of the fascias and gutters, I'm going to be doing her mum's fascias, gutters, and also her drive and sealing her drive as well. And also I handed, when I went round on the second day for an hour, I handed the flyers out. I got a call back the day after, can you come and price up my drive? I went, price the drive up, and he says, do you know what, on that price I might be able to get you the next door neighbours. And he did, and that is where I'm going this morning. Is it worth doing? 100%. Just because the majority of the people that I've got the jobs for, they're not on the internet, they're not on social media. The demographic of these people are more elderly. Get over 60, not everybody's on it. So get your flyers, get them printed, get them sent out, because it will get you working. So that's what I've found anyway. So for the flyers, it's been an absolute big success for me, and I will be doing it again. So yeah, so now I am off to go and do the jobs. So I will be putting a video out on that. So check that video out as well. So I'll see you later. Ta-da, see you there. Bye-bye.